Have you ever wondered what's the most underrated AI tool in 2025? While everyone's focused on ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, there's one powerful AI silently improving in the background, and that is Meta AI. Located at the website meta.ai, you'll find that Meta AI isn't just a chatbot, it's an assistant, content creator, and image generator all in one. Meta AI is built to merge seamlessly into the apps you already use, but you can also access it right through the browser at meta.ai. That means you don't need to install a new tool or switch platforms. You simply open the website, type in your prompt, and you're ready. That level of accessibility alone makes it a hidden gem in 2025. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our free AI resources so you can also become a part of our growing community and be an AI legend. Let's start with how you can use Meta AI to generate prompts. If you ever find yourself staring at a blank screen, wondering how to write a YouTube script, or a post caption, or an image prompt, you can go to meta.ai and say something like, "Give me 5 creative prompts for an image of a futuristic city at dawn." Meta AI will generate refined prompt ideas you can copy, adapt, or ask to improve. The website supports this kind of interactive back and forth, making it feel like a brainstorming partner rather than a simple generator. Next up is image generation and visual planning. At the Meta AI website, you can ask for images by describing what you want, such as imagine a serene forest with soft morning light and a steam rising coffee cup in the foreground. Meta AI can then produce visuals or guide you on how to imagine them. This turns Meta.ai into a visual studio and not just a text prompt tool. That means when you're writing scripts, planning YouTube content, or designing posts, you can ask Meta AI to suggest visuals line by line. For example, after this sentence, I want an image of a hand writing notes by candlelight. This helps your script and visuals stay aligned and cohesive. But Meta AI isn't only about prompts and images. On the website, you'll also find capabilities like summarizing long text, translating between languages, and pulling quick research information. That means you can go to meta.ai, paste a blog article or a news piece, and ask, "Summarize this in a friendly tone for a YouTube script." Suddenly, your workflow becomes research, script, and visuals all in one place. What makes Meta.ai even more powerful is the ability to integrate your style and preferences. On the website and within the Meta AI app, you can tell the assistant things like, "I prefer a conversational tone. I make 3 to 5 minute YouTube videos about AI tools." Once it remembers that, the next time you log into Meta.ai, you don't need to repeat your formatting, voice, or pacing rules. The assistant knows them. That consistency alone can elevate your content and save you time. If you're someone who creates content, whether YouTube videos, short form reels, blog posts, or even presentation slides, Meta.ai can drastically speed up your work. You could open the site, type, write a script for a 4-minute YouTube video about how Meta AI can improve productivity. Then, after the script, give me visuals or image prompts for each paragraph. You get both text and visual direction in one session. That saves you from switching between tools, aligns your ideas, and lets you move faster from concept to edited video. Another feature that doesn't always get discussed is how Meta.ai allows you to remix ideas from others. The website's Discover feed, also in the app, shows what other users are doing with Meta AI, such as prompts, images, scripts, and more. You can borrow those ideas, remix them, and apply them to your own style. That level of community-inspired creativity turns Meta.ai into a sort of sandbox for ideas rather than just a solitary tool. If you're worried about complexity, don't be. The Meta.ai website is designed for everyday users. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need a premium subscription in many regions, and you don't need to manage toolchain integration. Everything is accessible from one browser tab or app session. That ease of use is one of the reasons Meta AI is underrated, because powerful tools are often hidden behind complexity, but Meta.ai is not. So if you've never tried Meta AI through Meta.ai, this might be your chance to discover a tool that can change how you create, plan, and execute content. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this could be your solution to finally break free from that cycle. AI voiceovers are one of the fastest growing ways to earn passive income, and they can truly change your life. And today's your lucky day because we've put together a complete step-by-step guide to help you get started. Just hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, then check out the pinned comment down below to get your free guide on making money with AI voiceovers. Whether you're a student looking for study help, a content creator searching for visuals and scripts, or a business owner needing catchy captions, Meta.ai is equipped for the task. It's a multi-tool in a single site. Meta AI might just be the most underrated AI tool of 2025. And once you familiarize yourself with the Meta.ai website, you'll see why. Its combination of prompt generation, image creation, style memory, and research capability makes it one of the most practical AI assistants you can access today. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.